here we are. This is the South African Student Cluster Competition 2014. The winning team will go on to the finals at ISC in Germany, which is a world championship. It's kind of a big deal, right? And we're with Team Computing More, which, why the name? Where'd the name come from?
Well, we put lots of small sections into a hat, and then we just drew from that, and then those are the two words that came up.
Okay. What school are you from?
We're from the University of Stellenbosch.
Okay, where's that located?
Stellenbosch.
That's probably why the name?
Yeah. It's...
Okay. Now that's how you name something, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just about 40 minutes away from Cape Town.
Okay. And how are we doing so far?
Very well. We've set up everything. We are busy optimizing our benchmarks.
Okay.
See if we can get better scores.
Now, you're another team that's gone with sort of the workstation approach. What's the deal? What's your configuration?
We've got 3 computational nodes and 1 head node. The head node does all the management and the networking and all the file storage, while the compute nodes are purely there for computing everything.
Okay. And how are the compute nodes configured?
Well, each of them has 2 CPUs, and each CPU has 6 cores.
Okay.
And we've connected them. Each of them have 2 gigabit network ports, which are bonded together. And the head node has 4 gigabit.
So you're doing the teaming then?
Yes.
Okay. And you have a switch, gigabit switch?
Yes.
So you're getting the teaming into the switch. Are you actually are you getting more scale out of teaming the ports together? Are you seeing a benefit?
We definitely see an increase in bandwidth, yes.
Okay. So definitely worth it. And so you're going with just regular gigabit Ethernet, not 10 gig.
No, but because we bonded them together, we're effectively getting 2 gigabit for the nodes and 4 gigabit for the head node.
And do you have, I'm sorry, I forgot. I asked you if you had a gigabit switch, do you?
Yes.
Okay. So where'd you spend the rest of the money?
Computational nodes.
What?
We spent most of our money on the computational nodes.
Okay. How much memory per node?
We've got 4 gigabyte per core, so that's...
4 gigabyte per core. I like that. I like that there's a lot of 2 gig per core, some 2.5 gig, but 4 gig, that's sounding better to me. I like that better.
Yeah, it works out to 48 gigabyte per node.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you've got more memory than most others. How are we doing on the applications?
We're still busy optimizing, as we said, but we've already improved HPL significantly. We haven't started too much work on OpenFOAM.
Okay.
And we're still working.
Okay. So basically, you're doing everything for the team. These guys are doing nothing, right?
They're nominated me to talk.
What's that?
They just nominated me to talk.
Well, let's talk to them and get a little introduction. And so, who are you?
I'm Daniel.
Okay. So pass the microphone and walk. No, I'm kidding. No, get back. What have you been doing with the team?
I've been helping with setting up benchmarks, compiling, and running them.
Have you all divided the work in any particular way?
We try to do or divide the task. When one person's busy compiling one thing, the others are either helping them or compiling something else.
Okay, good. Now, what's your name? You were sort of mean to me earlier when I walked by. I said I was going to do a video, and you're like, yeah, that's like the last thing I care about, my life. That's okay. I get a lot of that. I was just pointing it out. So who are you?
I'm Leanne.
Okay.
Yeah, and I did the HPCG, most of that, I think, setting it up and compiling and stuff. And I've started to optimize CHPCG, and just helping out and Googling if something
doing cluster
goes
stuff.
wrong. Yeah.
It's just cluster fun, right?
Yeah.
Cluster goodness. Yeah. So, who are you?
I'm Stefanis.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I also, I don't know, with the setup of the network, I was kind of most involved with that. And then further, I'm also just researching stuff for the optimization mostly. And if we have to do stuff, we can divide it up to. It's much faster if everyone just quickly does something on each node.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything that particularly concerns you guys about the competition? What are your nightmares made of when it comes to this? That's a better dramatic way to ask it, right?
Well, at the moment, we haven't received the benchmark for the open foam yet because we haven't officially started our benchmarks yet. So we have no idea what that'll hold.
Okay. Okay, that's good. One other thing to be in your nightmares: bats in your room, dropping down at night onto your bed while you sleep. That's happened. So just something to think about, right?
I will definitely think about it tonight, but
That's going to get in your head. You're going to be thinking about that. Yeah. Well, I appreciate the time. And let me know how it goes. We'll come back and check in with you. And good luck. Hope
Thank
to
you
see
very
you in
much.
Germany. Thanks.
hope